Hello everybody, it's Whitney from Dazzling Hospitality and I'm back with another easy, fun hair tutorial for you today, so let's jump right into it. Before I begin, I'm going to start out by spraying a little bit of dry shampoo in and throughout my hair. This is going to help give my hair that texture and in the end add a little bit of fullness to the style. Brush your hair back and spritz with a light hairspray. Then about an inch above my temples, I'm going to section off a nice little front chunk and tie it off with a clear elastic. Next, you're going to want to clip away that front section and part off your second section, starting at the temples, and smooth it out. Feel free to give it a little spritz with the hairspray to get rid of some of those flyaways, and then tie it off with a clear elastic. Now here comes the fun part. You're going to drop down that first section of hair, split it in two, kind of pull it down by your ears, grabbing the second section, pull it up, and clip it off. Then, this isn't necessary, but it helps keep it nice and organized. I take those two sections, twist them together, and lightly clip them off so that I can section off the third section of hair and smooth it out. Then I'm going to drop down that clip I just clipped up and add it into that ponytail. Next, you're going to repeat the same steps, taking that upper ponytail, splitting it in half, grabbing the ponytail below, clip it off, then gently section off that lower section, grabbing the remainder of the hair, pulling it back, and tying it off with a clear elastic. And then you're just going to keep repeating the same process until you get to the end. And don't worry if you happen to have a few stray hairs wanting to stick out. I will teach you how to take care of them once we get closer to the end. Once you've gone as far down as you want to go, pull your hands to the front, grab a clear elastic, and loop it through that upper top section. Twisting it around but still holding it on your finger. Grab the bottom section, splitting it in half. Bring it to the front, pull it together, and then take that clear elastic and put it only on the top upper section. Think figure 8 or the infinity sign. This is what's going to help keep those two pieces apart. And then grab a clear elastic and put it right on top. Next, I like to take a pointed comb and kind of gently pull at those hairs, loosening it up, giving it more of a pompadour look so it's not so stuck to my head. And then here comes the fun part. Pulling it apart is what's going to give you that nice fullness to the braid. and make it look so luscious. Now let me show you how to tame down those pesky little flyaways. If you can at the bottom, try to tuck them back into the elastic. Then for those loose hairs on top, just grab a bobby pin, open it up, and secure it in and under that braid, pulling it apart, and you can't hardly tell. Another good option for taming back those flyaways is as you're pulling off and sectioning your hair into the ponytails, grab just a little bit of pomade if you have it on hand and put it on your fingers, and that should help fix the problem. It's typical for layered hair. Then at the end, spritz it off with some hairspray to hold it, and you're done. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, click the like button below, and also make sure to click the subscribe button for more future hair tutorials and tips and tricks.